Yes, but pretty nice.
Yeah, no, nowhere near freezing out there, but it is a little cool out there, maybe a little chilly for some with those front numbers starting with a 5. I think we're going to get up into the 80s this afternoon. Should be just as nice as it was yesterday. I don't think as cool tomorrow morning, but still awfully comfortable to get started on our Saturday. And I think it's going to continue into next week. Lots of dry air still in place. That boundary is well to our east. And what we'll start to look for is maybe if any of the lower level moisture can start to return back, maybe up near the coast tomorrow and bring us a few clouds. For most of our area, though, the dry air stacked through the atmosphere is going to be the big weather player, and that means we get to continue with the very comfortable. It's 54 right now in Thomasville. It's 56 in Valdosta. It's 58 in Tallahassee. Got a really nice start out there for us this morning. Clear skies, dry air. It is a little on the cool side. I see a 52 in Blakely, another 54 in Camilla. It's 59 in Perry. Lafayette dipped down from 60 to 59. So the only spot not in the 50s right now, that's Apalachicola, where it's still 60. We still have about an hour before the temperatures start to rebound. So maybe we can see everybody get into the upper 50s. As far as the winds go, not going to be as breezy as it was yesterday, but that breeze will be mainly from the north to keep bringing in the drier air. And we are looking at dew points way back down in the 50s. That's why it feels the way it does outside. That's why it'll look the way it does outside. And hopefully we'll keep these dew points way back down in the 50s so we can continue to enjoy the comfortable, the not humid weather. Now, the overall weather pattern for the next few days is all about this big bubble of high pressure slowly making its progress to the east. And that will allow the winds at the surface to change direction just a little tiny bit. And when they start coming in a little more from the east, that will slowly start to bring back some of that lower level moisture. And what that does for us is maybe brings back just a little bit of the humidity, but the overall setup is still going to be for dry and clear and bright and comfortable, and that should last into next week. Here's a look at Futurecast. We'll go through our day today and our night tonight, and it's really more of the same. As we go into our Saturday, I don't think we're going to be finding any kind of real shower chances, but an isolated sprinkle maybe way down to the south, maybe on the I-75 corridor or down up against some of our coastal areas. I guess it's possible. I think mostly what we're going to find are a few passing clouds, and that is all. Hurricane Sam is out there quite a ways from the islands right now. It's got 75-mile-per-hour sustained winds. It's going to get bigger. It's going to get stronger. That's a very conducive environment right now for strengthening of a tropical system. Now, if it starts to curl to the north, and it looks like it wants to do that, that should keep it away from the islands. The sooner it starts curving to the north, the less likely it'll have any impacts on the southeastern United States, but we've got plenty of time to watch and see what happens with it. On the Gulf today, winds out of the north and northeast, 5 to 15, seas 1 to 3 feet. Not bad for the boaters at all. We wrapped up the high tides around 5:30 this morning, so low tides next around 10:30 this morning. 50s and 60s. It is cool out there this morning. It'll warm up just nice this afternoon. Low 80s, maybe like 82, 83, 84. Sunny, dry, comfortable. Back near 60 again tonight. Sunset time, by the way, 7:31. And once the sun starts going down, it's going to cool off in a hurry again tonight like it did last night. Here's a look at that forecast for the next few days. I do see the middle and upper 80s back for the afternoons. So as cool as the mornings and evenings will be, guys, the afternoons are going to get a little toasty.